When the pandemic hit, everyone was shifted online and online courses absolutely skyrocketed. I did loads of them myself. It was a really easy way to fast track knowledge and to dive into books that had been made into online learning programs, and video based learning became something that was happening across universities and across all ages. And I really loved it. It was a super efficient way of learning, gaining new knowledge, gaining new qualifications. And so that's why I turned the books, the Smart Wellness books, into online courses myself with my DIY video filming when I was in lockdown. And that 8-week challenge is still online today. And I think that it remains one of the easiest ways to access science that I summarised in the book Neuron, because it takes you week by week through the different pillars of wellness. And I call it a challenge for a reason, because 8 weeks is a long time to maintain commitment. But also it challenges you to address your own habits, because as you go through that 8-week program, it helps you look at your tiny daily routines, the times of day that you're getting natural daylight, the times of day that you're eating, all the different aspects of wellness. And it challenges you to not just identify all these tiny little habits, but also to make slight changes to them. And people who have been through this 8-week course, in the way that I went through this myself when I did that experiment, it does make a huge difference, because it is these tiny daily habits that are dictating your biological aging speed. So the good news is that the 8-week Smart Wellness Challenge, the original one that I filmed in lockdown, is now available on an even lower price than it was before, because we've just adjusted all of the content to bring in the new book, FBOM. So the original Smart Wellness program, the 8-week challenge, is now on a special discounted price. So you can get it on the website today, smartwellness.co.uk. Let me know how you get on.